Hey guys, what's up? Eli here from PB Tech, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new Osmo Mobile 2 from DJI. Now, if you don't know, DJI is the company that makes all the drones, and they've had a lot of experience with stabilized gimbals. This here is a handheld stabilizer for your mobile phone. So if you've taken videos on your phone just handheld, you'll notice that there's quite a lot of shake and movement from your steps. The Osmo Mobile 2 keeps your phone stable and makes your footage look a lot better. Now in this test we were running really fast just to show you how much of a difference it actually makes. But if you were just traveling and walking around and wanting to take video, this is a handy tool to easily make your footage look much better. So it can support all sizes of phones. These parts here just extend and then you place your phone inside. Like that. Now this is the second generation of Osmo Mobile. It's made from high strength nylon, which is lighter than the first model. And the design of the handle has been made a bit more ergonomic, making it more comfortable over longer periods. It also has a longer lasting battery this time around, lasts about 15 hours on a single charge, so that should be more than enough. You can charge it through micro USB on the side here. And there is a USB port on the back that you can plug your phone into and charge, although this will dramatically reduce the Osmo's battery life. Another new addition is you now have the ability to hold your phone in either landscape mode or portrait mode. So if you make vlogs or use Instagram stories, this is an easy way to keep your camera looking smooth while you move around. You can't change the orientation on the fly, which would have been cool. Instead, you just need to remove your phone, twist the dial on the back, and then place your phone back inside. Now, you get a few controls on the handle here. So you have the shutter button to start and stop video, or hold to take a photo, the power button, and this little joystick to control tilt and pan. And this thing is cool. Combining this with walking can give you some cool looking cinematic movement. Now you can use any app you want to record video and the controls will still work. But if you do use the app from DJI, you get access to some cool features. So tapping this allows you to draw a square on an object, and then the Osmo will automatically keep this object in the center. It actually worked pretty well. I was surprised. You also get a zoom slider on the side here, although this only seems to work inside the DJI app. So yeah, that's basically it. It performed really well. It did what it was supposed to do, and if you take lots of videos on your phone or make vlogs, this is a cool accessory that has improved on the original in every way. It's got improved ergonomics, weight, smart stabilization controls, battery life, adapting to the portrait mode generation, all while coming in at a cheaper price, which is pretty rare. You can pop into your local PB Tech and give it a try. I'm Eli, thanks for watching our quick review. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.